The stress simulations are solid. See the heat map?
Yes, let's adjust the torque parameters here.
Good idea. Rotate it to see the airflow. Okay, adjusting the front now. The proportions look balanced. Check the front brace welds. They look solid. Let's see the rear. Specs are on the tablet, no issues. Okay, ready on this side. Got it. Tightening now. Halfway there. Looks solid. Torque specs on this flange, 85 Newton meters. Got it. I'll brace the intake. Good. Now tighten it down. All right, lowering now. Keep it steady. Copy that. Looks good. Okay, seated, ready to bolt. Check the torque on the front wheel. It's at spec. Moving to the rear. Rear is clear, ready for diagnostics. Check the front aero balance. Suspension geometry is optimal. Brakes are holding pressure. Engine looks good. Power delivery is stable. Confirmed. Check the shifter. Engaging now. Looks good. Dashboard green. Final check.